So one of their early challenges is getting data into a format and into a place where they can access it. But what they don't do is monitor it and maintain it then. So if you don't measure it, don't maintain it, it will go backwards. So where we really fit in is providing a mechanism that, first of all, gives you visibility of the operation. It gives you sight of what is actually happening within that and related those back to your key performance indicators.
I mean, one of the aspects I like about, XpertFactory is that if I put that back into kind of traditional information theory, which I try and draw on a little bit in some of the work, you start with data that has to go into information, and then if you produce good information, the theory is that you can start embedding knowledge in the people using that information, and so it goes on, up to a results layer. And I was just going to follow up because I think it also feeds in a little bit to what you're saying about some of the program interventions that happen at government level. And actually what a lot of businesses struggle with is either time or talent that can grab data and transform it, or even store it effectively, but transform it into good information at that point. But we don't seem willing to want to fund the time and effort needed to do that. But that's where the change happens. That's the reality of it. That if you've got this continual reporting, at this information layer, then your staff start making different choices over time, and hopefully long-term and repeatable choices.